Welcome. Again, today we'll be looking at a very interesting subject, right? Last time we solved something that was very interesting and you saw how it went. Now today we'll be looking at a more difficult question that I understand and I've discovered many students struggle with it. Now look at this question over there. Look at it. We have x squared minus y squared all upon x squared minus xy squared. Now, how do we go about solving this? The thing that you need to understand in order to solve this kind of question is you need to understand that there is what we call difference of two squares, just as we have on the numerator x squared minus y squared. Again, on the denominator, you will discover that there are terms that are similar, right? You need to factorize. Now, let's dive right in and solve. Now, starting with the numerator, we have x squared minus y squared. This is difference of two squares. So we say x squared minus y squared is same thing as saying x minus y bracket open close x plus y. It means that if we open up this bracket, we are going to have this. So we are done with the numerator. Let's go over to the denominator. Again, in the denominator, we have x squared y minus x y squared. Now, your ability to factorize this, it's what will help you to simplify this expression or this fraction. Now, if you look carefully, you discover that there is x here, x variable, y variable, this side, x variable, y variable. It means xy is the variables that are the variables that are similar. So we are going to factorize. So we say xy, bring it outside. Then this x squared y divided by this, what is left? We are going to be left with what? X. How do I know it's correct? If we use x, y to multiply x, we are going to have x squared y. Then we put your minus, right? Now, s y squared divided by xy, we are going to be having what? Y. How do I know it's correct? If I use xy to multiply minus y, we are going to have xy squared. So you see, we have been able to factorize this. Now let's go over to solving everything at once. So instead of writing x squared minus y squared, remember we got this as a factorization. So we are going to write x minus y.